Hello students, today we will discuss about character of Rani. ये करेक्टर जो है रेनी मेन करेक्टर है, वो भी बॉडली हार्म है। इसके राइटर है मार्गरेट एटवुड। ओके, Rani is the main character of the novel Bodily Harm. She is the heroine of the novel. She is present in the novel from the beginning to the end of the novel. All the incidents in the novel are associated with her, and the whole story of the novel moves around her. She may be called a tragic figure because she does not deserve the punishment that she is given. We feel pity for her. Though she does not arouse our feeling of awe, there is not seen any apparent flaw in her character that may be held responsible for her downfall. She is not ambitious. She falls a prey to the cruel destiny that destroys her life for no fault of her. इसमें नॉवेल में जो मेन करेक्टर है रैनी, इसका जन्म ग्रिसवॉल्ड में हुआ था। इसका पालन पोषण उसकी माँ तथा परिवार की अन्य महिलाओं ने उसके पिता के बिना किया था। ग्रिसवॉल्ड छोड़कर ये लोग अपने टोरंटो अध्ययन करने के लिए चली गई, यानी स्टडी करने के लिए वो वहाँ से चली गई और एक पत्रकार बन गई। जोकास्टा उसकी एक महिला मित्र थी और जैक उसका बॉयफ्रेंड था। वह सामान्य जीवन जीती है, परंतु उसकी जो है चेस्ट में कैंसर हो जाता है। इसके कारण जैक उससे क्या करता है, ब्रेकअप कर लेता है और उसका ऑपरेशन किया जाता है। वह विश्राम करने तथा यात्रा संबंधी एक लेख लिखने के लिए कैरिबियन द्वीप सेंट एंटोनी चली जाती है, परंतु आराम करने तथा स्वास्थ्य लाभ के स्थान पर उसे एक व्यक्ति से संपर्क हो जाता है जो राजनीति एवं मादक पदार्थों के धंधे में फंसा हुआ है। उसके माध्यम से वह एक क्रांति में फंस जाती है और जेल में उसको बंद कर दिया जाता है। उसका फ्यूचर बहुत ज़्यादा खतरनाक होता है। ओके, प्रथम वस्तु जो है इसमें पाठक का ध्यान को आकर्षित करती है वह उपन्यास का शीर्षक है। पाठक के मस्तिष्क में कई प्रश्न उठते हैं कि क्या हुआ, किसको नुकसान हुआ, क्या कोई आक्रमण था या कोई चोट थी। उपन्यास समाप्त करने के पश्चात पाठक को कोई भी वास्तविक उत्तर नहीं मिलता है। यानी जो नायिका है, हीरोइन इस नॉवेल की, वह कठिन परीक्षणों की श्रृंखला से गुजरती है और बहुत ज़्यादा समस्याओं का सामना भी करती है और अंततः उसको जेल में बंद कर दिया जाता है। नेक्स्ट है हर एजुकेशन एंड प्रोफेशन। Rani was born in Griswold and raised by her mother and other women from her family without her father. Okay, she did not get the love for her father, for he was living with some other woman in some other city, probably in Toronto, having received her early education in Griswold. उसकी जो प्रारंभिक शिक्षा हुई थी वो ग्रिसवॉल्ड में हुई थी। शी लेफ्ट फॉर टोरंटो टू कंप्लीट हर स्टडी। वो ग्रिसवॉल्ड को छोड़ देती है टोरंटो में स्टडी कंप्लीट करने के लिए। शी बिकेम अ जर्नलिस्ट, और पत्रकार बन जाती है। रोट आर्टिकल्स लिखती है फॉर वेरियस मैगजीन्स, और मैगजीन्स भी लिखती है। जनरली शी राइट्स ऑन ट्रैवल, फैशन एंड लाइफ स्टाइल। शी इज पेड फॉर हर आर्टिकल्स, दो नॉट वेरी हैंडसमली। शी लीड्स एन ईजी एंड कम्फर्टेबल लाइफ। She is a fashionable lady. She wears good clothes, eats good food and maintains herself. यानी खुद को मेंटेन रखती है हर तरीके से। She is full of confidence. उसके अंदर आत्मविश्वास भरा हुआ है and moves freely in society. She interviews people and writes their views on various subjects. Through her job, she meets Jack Costa, who seems to be her only friend. उसकी जोकास्टा होती है वो केवल फ्रेंड होती है। Rani liked Jocasta because Jocasta was much more wittier than Rani felt she herself could overbe. Partly she admired this quality, partly she felt it was dangerous, and partly being from Griswold she had a certain contempt for it. Okay. Next है men in her life. There come 3 men in her life. उसकी लाइफ में 3 जो है पर्सन आते हैं। दे आर जैक, डॉक्टर डैनियल और पॉल। नन ऑफ द थ्री एक्चुअली लव्स हर, लेकिन तीनों में से कोई भी उससे प्यार नहीं करता। शी नोज इट वेल दैट हर बॉयफ्रेंड जैक इज नॉट सिंसियर इन हिज लव हर। मैं जानती थी कि जो उसका बॉयफ्रेंड है वो उसके प्रति सिंसियर नहीं है। ही एडमायर्स हर बॉडी एंड वांट्स टू एक्सप्लॉइट इट एज मच एज ही कैन। दिस इज रियली द वीक point of her character that in spite of knowing that Jack is not love with her, वो जानती थी कि जैक उससे प्यार नहीं करता है, and that there is no permanency in her relationship with her, she lets him exploit her sexually. Actually she does not realize that she is being exploited. It never occurs to her to have a permanent relationship with any man. She never thinks of a home, a settled life and a devoted husband. She does not want to be a devoted wife either. She wants to enjoy herself. वो enjoy करना चाहती है. She wants some man to be with her. When Jack leaves her because of his cancer in her breast, जैक उसको उस समय छोड़कर जाता है जब उसको कैंसर होता है. शी इज़ अट्रैक्टेड टूवर्ड्स डॉक्टर डैनियल. इसी बीच जो डॉक्टर होता है जो उसका ऑपरेशन करता है वो उसके प्रति अट्रैक्ट हो जाती है. वो ऑपरेट सर्जरी ऑन हर ब्रेस्ट एंड सेव्स हर लाइफ. शी नोज दैट डॉक्टर डैनियल इज़ अ मैरिड मैन. जो डॉक्टर डैनियल होते हैं वो मैरिड मैन होते हैं एंड ही इज़ डिवोटेड टू हिज प्रोफेशन. ही इज़ टू बिजी टू स्पेयर टाइम फॉर रोमांस विद हर इन स्पाइट ऑफ नोइंग दैट नो परमानेंट यूनियन is possible within the established sexual relationship with him. थर्ड मैन है इसकी लाइफ में आने वाला पॉल. द थर्ड मैन दैट कम्स इन हर लाइफ इज पॉल. नो सूनर डज शी अराइव्स एट सेंट एंटोनी शी स्टार्ट्स एन अफेयर विद हिम एंड फ्रीक्वेंटली स्लीप्स विद हिम. Though she has some idea of his involvement in politics and illegal traffic, thus it can be said that she herself is responsible for her sexual exploitation. She never holds a check on her sensual desires. Next है her sufferings. Rennie gets utterly disturbed when she was diagnosed with cancer in her breast. In our society, woman's breast is considered a source of life and sign of femininity. Rennie is worried to think of her disease. She is always lost in the thought that her survival is not possible. She is always lost and that she can't be saved. The other thing that worries her most is that after the operation, her beauty and attraction will be lost and people will stare at her. This thought has always been there with her. She is alive but she remains practically alone and empty. She tries to escape this feeling of emptiness which is hole she is falling in, but since she is lost she takes a wrong way. Falling away lure Ren this thought has always been with her. She is alive but she remains practically alone and empty. She tries to escape this feeling of emptiness which is hole she is falling in, but since she is lost she takes a wrong way. Falling always lure. Rennie may be the embodiment of the woman we all fear to become one day. Harmed and helpless, unable to save herself, only hoping to be saved. John Berger writes in his introduction to Bodily Harm, a man's presence suggests what is capable of doing to you or for you. By contrast, a woman's presence defines what can and cannot be done to her. Rennie is this woman, the archetype of a weak woman in a world of power-hungry men. Next, a simple woman. Rennie is a simple woman. She is not clever. She Iside falls pivot to Laura's tricks. She believes Laura's false story of Elva's illness and goes to the airport to retrieve her box. She should not have taken this decision. Okay. It is ruse of Paul and Laura's implicate her in her illegal dog trade and she has to pay and ends up in the prison. Last conclusion. Rani does not deserve the punishment given to her. She is innocent and is no role in revolution. We feel pity for her. Okay. Rani is the main character of the Bodily Harm. Was born in Griswold and raised by her mother and other women from her fine family without her father. She left Griswold to study to Toronto and become a journalist. Jocasta is her only friend and Jack is her boyfriend. She leads a normal life but she is diagnosed with a breast tumor. This cancer leads her to break up with Jack. She undergoes surgery and one of her breasts is cut off. She goes to the Caribbean island to recover and write a travel piece, but instead of resting and recovering, she has an affair with a man involved in politics and illegal traffic. Through him, she is caught in a revolution and ends up in jail. In the end, for her future remains dangerous. The first thing that attracts a reader is the title of the novel, Bodily Harm. There arises several questions in the reader's mind. What happened? Who was harmed? Was it an attack? Was it a fatal injury? After going through the novel, the reader gets no real answer. The heroine undergoes a serial of ordeal. She faces many problems, but ultimately ends up in jail. The novel is interesting, but its plot is complicated.